Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, after years of service, finally my garage door lock has given up. It no longer works and I have to change it, and that's what I'm gonna cover in this video. So it's a very old lock, and some of you may blame me that why I'm not using automated ones. I mean, cost of living, guys, money too much. I don't have the law. This is completely damaged. In fact, I use my backup key too, but it does not work at all. So the only option I have is to change. These are not very difficult to find. You can get it at various stores. I purchased it from Amazon, pretty cheap, like $16 I have purchased. So let's gonna begin it with it. So in the first step, what we are gonna do, you see these two screws, this is what I'm gonna unfasten and I'm gonna take it out. But before you do that, because right now lock is not working and it's stuck, it's always good to put a weight beneath it. Like, the only way at this moment I can access my garage is to go from inside door and come. So that's why I put this here, so that it does not get locked. Okay, because then again I have to go back, because some settlements I have to do at the back end too. That's why. Okay, now so I'm gonna start with a screwdriver. Before I begin, guys, this is what I purchased from Dollarama 7 years ago in just $4, and it is still working. Can you imagine? Okay, I'm gonna begin with the first task. Is pretty simple. As I said, for both top and this bottom screw, two screws are generally there. Put the screwdriver, unfasten and release it. Okay, so I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna see you guys. Of course the screws will not come out because of these at the back end. So but if you slightly unfasten it, after this you can just use your finger and make sure you don't lose any piece, because depending upon what kind of lock and how much money you invest, you may not get these screws along. Like the one that I have purchased from Amazon at a very cheap deal, I did not get these screws, nuts at all. Okay, so don't lose these. Make sure you hold it. If it comes with your lock pack, it's fine, but otherwise don't lose. So I'm not gonna lose them. I'm gonna put them safe. Okay, I did for one, and now I'm gonna do it second. Now you can take this wire out safely, but it's pretty important. Okay, still this is hard. So what you can do, you can use something like this. Okay, and you can just use it to unfasten. As you can see, I'm doing it. If you don't have a wrench, you can use this. Unfortunately I don't have, so that's why I'm using it. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna take this off, and then I'm gonna see you guys. Hey guys, by the time I was trying, I found the wrench. So now I can just use this wrench and I can open it. So I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna see you guys. With a wrench I could easily pull it out. Now next, this plate, make sure you save it too if it has not come with you. Now you can clearly see these two screws. So I'm gonna outside, and I'm gonna take these screws out from there, not from here. Okay, so what I did, I just simply took it out. It's pretty simple. Now it is ready. So now it's time to unpack my new lock, and we'll follow the reverse mechanism. I'm gonna put the screws in these two, and we are gonna put it right in the holes. So I could just simply push the screws here. You can see, nothing more. Make sure it goes smoothly, because on the back side there's some holes. It has to pass through there. Now I'm gonna go to the other side, and I'm gonna attach the exact same things that I had taken before. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do the exact same thing. So I'm gonna put the plate, okay, here, and then I'm gonna take the screws out of this, both up and down, and I'm gonna revert back the configuration I had. So after I did that, I put it back. You can put a lock here. I had one, but I had lost, but you can put lock here, their devices, so that it stays on its place, and now it's ready to go. And I could use it with my key and lock and key provided. So this is how simple it is, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.